In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the background of an image in PowerPoint. So we're just going to start by uploading our image into the PowerPoint presentation. So I'm going to click on Insert in the top navigation, click on Pictures and select this device. And then just go and select the photo that you want to upload. So now you can see we have our image and I'm now going to show you how we can remove this background. So what you need to do is make sure you have the image selected like this. And then if you click on Picture Format in the top navigation, click on Remove Background, it's now going to give you a selection of what it thinks is the background. Now sometimes if your background colors blend in with the color of the object, you can see that it might accidentally detect the object as the background. Now to fix this, you can click on Mark Areas to Keep, and then you can go and draw around the selection that you want to keep. So for example, you can see when I draw a line around this person's arm, it will go and automatically do that. So you basically just have to keep drawing these lines around the sections that you want to keep, and eventually it's going to detect the areas that need keeping. So I'm just going to keep drawing these lines until it detects this as an object, and you can see now that we've made this almost perfect selection of what to cut out. So once you're happy with this, we can go and press Keep Changes, and just like that we now have our image without the background, and you can go and resize and reposition this on the page. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.